Explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with chapter number 13 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is conjunctions. So let us discuss about the conjunctions now. What are these conjunctions? So conjunctions are basically used to join the words, the group of words, or even the sentences, right? So they are also known as the joining words, right? So let us begin with the chapter and know more about these conjunctions. The words which join together two words, phrases, clauses or sentences are called conjunction. तो ऐसे words जो कि join करते हैं दो words को, phrases को, clauses को या फिर sentences को, उन्हें कहा जाता है conjunctions, right? So, Ashok and Ajit are friends. Do not go before I come. The tree is short but thick. Now, हमने देखा कि यहाँ पर कुछ conjunctions जो कि mentioned है and they are and, before, but. So, in the above sentences, and, before and but are conjunctions. ये तीनों ही conjunctions के नाम से जानी जाती हैं. They join one word to another or one sentence to another. तो ये actually एक word को दूसरे word के साथ या फिर एक sentence को किसी दूसरे sentence के साथ join करती हैं, right? A word which joins two words or sentences is called a conjunction. तो ऐसे ही words जो कि दो words या फिर दो sentences को join करते हैं आपस में, उन्हें कहा जाता है the conjunctions, right? Next, we have the use of conjunctions. So अब conjunctions के क्या क्या uses हैं वो हम लोग जानते हैं. So first of all we have by using and. तो हम and का use कैसे कर सकते हैं? Let's see. So, Aman is going to school, Raman is going to school. तो हमने देखा कि दोनों ही sentences बिल्कुल same है, but उसमें सिर्फ जो नाम है वो हम लोगों ने अलग लिए हैं. So we can do one thing. We can join the sentences by saying Aman and Raman are going to school, right? Next, they are playing, they are making noise. Again, we have the same subjects and the objects are also same. So we can use they are playing and making a noise, right? Next, we have by using but. So अब हम but का use कैसे कर सकते हैं? So this is she is poor, she is honest, right? So it can become she is poor but honest. After that, he failed, his brother passed. So it may be he failed but his brother passed. Next, tea is hot, ice is cold. So tea is hot but ice is cold. So which means कि जब भी हम ऐसे दो sentences की बात कर रहे हों जो आपस में opposite हो एक दूसरे के, तब हम but conjunction का use कर सकते हैं और उन्हें आपस में join कर सकते हैं, right? Next, moving ahead, we have the by using or because. अब हम और because का use कहाँ कर सकते हैं? Let's see. So, run fast, you will miss the bus, right? So, it can become run fast or you will miss the bus. After that, Raju can't play, he is sick. So, it becomes Raju can't play because he is sick, right? Next, we have by using so or else. अब so और else को हम कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं? Let's see. The boy has lost his toy car. He is crying. So it can become the boy has lost his car, so he is crying. Right? Work hard, you will fail in the examination. Work hard, else you will fail in the examination. Right? So और else का यूज हम वहां कर सकते हैं जहां हमें reasons को explain करना हो कि बच्चा अगर रो रहा है तो वो क्यों रो रहा है. So we have a reason because he has lost his toy car. Right? Next, by using still. अब still कैसे यूज करते हैं? He is poor, he is happy. जब हमें कंडीशन दिखानी हो, means he is poor, still he is happy. Right? तो जहां पर भी हमें कंडीशन दिखानी हो, right? So कंडीशन यानी कि पुअर और हैप्पी दोनों को ही कंपेयर करना हो, कंडीशन दिखानी हो, तब हम वहां पर स्टिल का यूज कर सकते हैं. राइट? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with the conjunctions and their uses as well. So this was all from my side. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.